Today we are the bartender. We have to create a function that takes a string as an input, and we have to output the drink that we have to serve. And let's see. Oh, we have to make sure that the capitalization is correct. First of all, as you can see here, we are dealing with so-called key value pairs. And what I want to do is to create a dictionary. So let's call it bartender, and then curly braces. And let's put the key value pairs here. In other words, the orders and the drinks that we have to serve. And what we have to do is to make all the keys lowercase and connect them with the values. And at the end, we should place a comma to separate the key value pairs from each other. So let me go ahead. And then remove this one. And let's return the entire dictionary from here. Return bartender. Here we have all the keys and the values. And what we have to do is to actually return the drink that we have to serve based on the input. Programmer, for example. And for that, we use the built-in method get. And it takes as an argument the actual key. In our case, it will be param, programmer, and that should return hipster craft beer. Well, let's try it out. And it doesn't work. And why? Because programmer is not written in all lowercase. So what we can do at the start is to convert it. The param should always be written in lowercase letters with the built-in method lower. Let's run it again, and there we go. But very important, if the key is not in our dictionary of bartender, then we should return beer by default. And that will be our second argument, beer. So if I put in something like rubbish, it should return beer. And there we go. Well, let's try it out. Test. Perfect. Attempt. Works like a charm. Hope this video has been informative and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.